quietly located in Mariposa Gardens, right here in the center of Santa Clara, one of the most highly sought after regarded neighborhoods in Santa Clara, serviced by Sutter Elementary, ranked 9 out of 10 on Great School Scores. So here we are in Santa Clara. We have our own power plant, which means anywhere else in the Bay, when you're on PG&E, it's 2.4 times higher than right here in Santa Clara. So utilities are very affordable. Come check it out. One of Mariposa Gardens' most in-demand models, thanks to a floor plan which ensures absolutely no wasted space, thanks to a surprisingly large great room, lengthy galley kitchen that's open to the great room, with extra counter and buffet space, very little hallway space. This home itself is move-in ready thanks to central heating and air conditioning, a newly updated kitchen with luxury Taj Mahal countertops and a full backsplash, 2 updated bathrooms, a 2-car garage with freshly epoxied floor and solid oak hardwood floors and dual pane windows, high efficiency throughout. The exterior offers several nice touches as well, thanks to an oversized and fully covered front porch, low maintenance artificial turf, and freshly updated large deck in the back for indoor-outdoor dining and entertainment.